would you guys like to be making $10,000 a month while working online? Well, today we're going to be going over 7 different ways that we can achieve this goal. And with some of these, we could potentially be making even more than $10,000 a month if you just stick with them. I'm sure a lot of you can relate, but sometimes it can be hard to find a lot of free time and time to just do what we want to do. Well, the good news with these different options to make money online is that you don't have to leave your house to do this, and they require some effort to set up. However, it can get easier as time goes on. So with this being said, you can find yourself having a lot more free time with these work from home options that I'm going to talk about. And I know that some of these are possible because I have talked with my brother Matt, and he has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and he also runs a bunch of different things online, such as YouTube channels. He also sells courses online, and he's lucky enough to become a millionaire before he actually even turned 20, so I find this very inspiring. So I've talked with him, and he has been a great help in showing me a bunch of different ways to start making this type of money while working still online. Making $10,000 in a month could open up a lot of doors for you guys. And for all of these options, there is not a certain age that you have to be to pursue these goals. I mean, you could still be in high school and start pursuing these. Or you could be even 50 and still get going on these ideas and still make some money. However, if you just pursue doing some of these, it's not guaranteed that you're going to make $10,000 in just 1 month right away. You do have to put in the work and be patient with them, but $10,000 a month sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? And I'm here to tell you that you guys can achieve it if you just put in the work and stick with it. So let's get started and go over 7 different ways that we can start making $10,000 in just 1 month. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is setting up a symbiotic system. So if we look up the definition of symbiotic, first of all, a lot of pictures of fish come up. If any of you are familiar with the movie Finding Nemo, you might be wondering, why am I talking about a Disney movie right now? It'll make sense in just a second. But we know that the clownfish, or Nemo, and his dad Marlin in the movie, they live in a type of coral that is called a sea anemone. Now I'm mentioning this because we have a clownfish and a sea anemone, and they kind of work together, which is what the definition of symbiotic is. So bringing it back to a symbiotic system, we can kind of piece together with the analogy that I just gave that it kind of helps each other out. So relating this to an online business, we could take something, for example, a YouTube channel. Now, we could start making money with a YouTube channel by getting monetized on it. However, there are ways that we can boost this money-making system and add other money makers to YouTube. Meaning we could have a YouTube channel, but then also promote an affiliate link in our descriptions. So there we would have 2 different streams of income. But we could even take it a step further and add different streams of income as well onto those 2 that I've just mentioned. So we could have a YouTube channel, and then we could also link a blog in our description, and then also have affiliate links that we're promoting, or maybe even have an Instagram account as well that we are promoting our YouTube channel on. So there are a bunch of different options to make money online, but I'm mentioning this symbiotic system as once we have 1 stream of income, why not create more streams of income that kind of help each other, like Nemo and the sea anemone, as they can both live in peace together and help each other out. So that kind of breaks down our first way in how to make money, which is just by a symbiotic system and setting up different streams of income that help each other out. But let's get a little deeper into these aspects of how to actually make this money and set up our own symbiotic system. So next I'm going to be talking about a YouTube channel, as this is my favorite way to start making some money online. And YouTube channels have always interested me since I was a kid even. And with my brother starting a YouTube channel in high school, this always seemed very interesting and fascinating to me. And I'm excited to have my own YouTube channel. But let's talk about how you guys could could get into doing this as well. A YouTube channel is great because you can simply do this work once as you create a video once, and it can make you money for years to come. So the people that run YouTube channels obviously have different revenue systems set in place, meaning they have different ways that they are making money. Now, one way to be making money on YouTube would be getting monetized and having ads on your videos and making money that way. But with a symbiotic system that I just mentioned, we can find ourselves making money on YouTube in different ways as well. Now, the first step with a YouTube channel is to pick a niche that you want your YouTube channel about. But the key here is we want to choose a popular niche because we want to make sure that there is an audience that is actually going to watch our videos. Some of the best niches would include travel, technology, health, wealth, and psychology. Now, there are a ton of other niches, of course, that you could choose from, but these are some of the ones that we constantly see doing well. I like to kind of think of these niches as a timeless niche, as I don't really see them going out of style anytime soon, as they have done very well in the past and still in the present and probably in the future. Well, some of you might be thinking, well, it would be pretty cool to get in front of a camera and talk to people and teach them about different things or just make entertaining videos in general. But some of you, on the other hand, might be thinking, well, I don't really want to get in front of a camera and present myself like I'm doing right now. And that is totally okay, and you can still be successful with a YouTube channel without even having to show your face at all. In fact, this is how my brother got his YouTube channels started, by just simply making faceless YouTube videos. For example, this YouTube channel called Body Hub has 1.37 million subscribers, and they don't even have to record anything. They really are just using different stock photos and videos to create their own videos. So this channel here is a good example of a health and fitness channel. So if this type of channel looks appealing to you, of course it doesn't even have to be a health or fitness channel, but just a channel where you use different stock photos and videos and don't even have to record anything yourself. There are a bunch of different websites where you can actually download free stock photos and videos where you just don't even have to pay for any of it, which can be really helpful, especially when starting out. So some of these websites would include Pixabay Videos, Pexels Videos, VidEasy, and a ton more that I'm going to put up on the screen if you guys want to take a pause. But before we get into actually editing a video and getting stock photos and videos together, we need to, of course, write a script for our videos. Now, a little tip on how to even get ideas for what your script is going to be about. You can simply just look up your niche on YouTube and then see what videos are doing well at this point of time. So for example, let's say your niche is just travel. And if you look up travel, maybe let's say you see a bunch of videos that are top 5 travel destinations or top 10 travel destinations. Then this could be a good idea for a video, and you could do this with using just stock photos and videos, of course. If you want your videos to be a little longer, I suggest that you write them around 1,000 to 2,000 words. And the good thing with having longer videos is that there is more space to put ads throughout your videos. Of course, you don't want to bombard people with a bunch of ads and just put them everywhere in people's faces, but just having a longer video is good, as you can just have a lot more space to put these ads in your videos. So you can either record your video sitting down, reading your script, talking to the camera, or you can use these stock photos and videos and record a voiceover. Now, you don't even need to have a fancy microphone to record a voiceover. You can simply just use your phone, as it works perfectly fine. And I even see a lot of popular YouTubers simply just using their phone, even though they probably could afford a different microphone, but a phone microphone works just as well. There are a bunch of different free video editing softwares that you guys can use, such as CapCut, and you can use this on your computer, or they even have an app, or you could use iMovie if you're using Mac or your iPhone. Some free Windows softwares include HitFilm Express, OpenShot, and Shotcut. And then if you're using just any type of phone, Power Director also has a free app that you guys could use. So now if we have our script and our video and we have that all put together and edited, then we're simply ready to put our video onto YouTube. But first we need to talk about something that is very important, which is your thumbnails for your videos. Now, your thumbnails is that little picture that gets people to click on your video. So this is why they're very crucial, because because it simply just gets people's attention and makes them want to view your video that you have made. There are also a bunch of different free softwares that you can edit thumbnails on, such as Canva. Canva is a good one as well because it has a bunch of different templates you can use to create these thumbnails if you're not familiar with making them. And then again, to get some ideas on what types of thumbnails to make, you can simply go on YouTube, search up your niche, and then see what types of thumbnails are popping up and which ones are getting more views than others. And then, like I said, you can start making money on YouTube by getting monetized. Now, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time, meaning people have watched your videos this long, all in total. And then you need 1,000 subscribers. Now, these numbers might sound very big and intimidating, but trust me, it is possible if you just follow the correct steps on how to set up a YouTube channel. I believe my brother even said he has had a YouTube channel get monetized in just 1 month. Another tip with a YouTube channel is to post consistently. You can even set yourself up on a schedule on when to post on YouTube, but make sure to set up this schedule as realistic as possible. You don't want to get your work crammed and then have less quality videos when you could be spending more time on your videos and posting just once a week, for example, rather than trying to post every single day. So now we're gonna move on to our next way to be making money online. Now again, remember all of these things that I'm gonna be talking about go hand in hand with each other. So if we are running a YouTube channel, we already have a script written out, which leads me into the next way to make money online, which is going to be running a blog. So like I said, if we have this script already written out for us, then we almost already have a blog post as well. And then with a blog as well, we want to just stick within one niche. Now this niche could be related to our YouTube channel, and this could be a good example of a symbiotic system. So you could simply just take your scripts, write some tweaks here and there so it doesn't sound too much like a YouTube video, of course, and then upload it to your blog. Now you might be wondering, I do not know how to set up a website, Kayla. Well, the good news is there is a website called Webflow, which can really help you guys set up your own blog and walk you through the different steps on how to set it up. With a blog, you're usually going to need a place to promote the blog first to get, of course, readers reading your blog. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you just simply promote your blog and then put it in the description, pin it in your comment sections, this can be a great place to promote it and get some of your viewers onto your blog as well. And then especially if you have the same niche with your blog as the same niche as your YouTube channel, then they can really help each other out. And then next I'm going to be talking about a niche Instagram page, which is kind of the same thing as a faceless YouTube channel, but put into an Instagram format, as you are choosing a niche and you can show your face if you want to, but then you can also choose to not show your face. But basically an Instagram niche page is just a page revolving around one specific niche or topic. So let's say you have a YouTube channel that is all about books and everything books. You could create a blog that is about different books and use the scripts within your YouTube channel and put them into blog format. And then we can take it even a step further and make this Instagram niche page that will promote our blog and our YouTube channel, and then our YouTube channel could promote our blog and our Instagram. So as you can see, this symbiotic system is kind of coming together here. For your Instagram niche page, you could just simply use Canva to create different photos if you don't even want to take your own photos. Or like I said, if you have an Instagram account that is revolving around the niche of books and reading, you could simply take pictures of your favorite books and stuff like that, and then use Canva to add different text to make these images stand out and pop out. And then I would like to say the best niches that I went over earlier in this video for YouTube can also apply to Instagram as well. And then you might be wondering, well, how do I exactly make money with Instagram? Well, this happens through paid ads, as people will start reaching out to you once your Instagram account gains more traction, and they will be wondering like, hey, could you promote this for me? For example, I personally follow a lot of different ocean accounts and shark accounts because that's just something that interests me. And I always see that they post just like a picture of a shark, and then if you scroll to the next slide, you'll see a t-shirt of a shark. So this could be a good example of them running ads on their pages as they are getting paid by somebody else to promote this t-shirt. So this is essentially how you make money on Instagram, as a ton of different creators will start reaching out to you once you gain traction on your page. And then a lot of these creators that reach out to you will also give you an affiliate link. So if you promote these products, then you will get a cut of the money if any of your followers or viewers buy this product. So now we're gonna get into the fifth way to be making this money online, which is going to be through TikTok. Now the easy thing here, if we have a YouTube channel already set up, we can take our favorite clips from our YouTube videos and then format them into a TikTok video format. Now you can easily do this with the app CapCut, as they have a free conversion template for taking a YouTube video and then converting it into a TikTok format or even an Instagram format. So you simply just make shorter versions of your YouTube videos and then upload them to TikTok, and then of course link your YouTube channel and your Instagram and everything like that, and maybe your blog if you have one. So now we're going to talk about if we start gaining traction on any of these different platforms that I have just mentioned, whether this be through Instagram or TikTok or YouTube or your blog. There's something that I just mentioned a second ago, which is called affiliate marketing, which is where on Instagram it could be a creator reaching out to you and asking if you want to promote this product, and you will get an affiliate link to promote the product. However, there are a bunch of different affiliate programs that you can join, and you can even start earning money on YouTube before you actually get monetize on YouTube. So affiliate marketing can be a great thing. If you just search up on Google affiliate programs, there are a bunch of different ones. Even Amazon has an affiliate program. So affiliate marketing in itself can be a great way to make money if you have these different traffic sources set up. As of course, to get sales with affiliate links, you need traction and people actually viewing this affiliate link, and this can happen through having these different platforms that I have gone through in this video. So if you start making some money with all of these different things that I have mentioned in this video, you could find yourself being overwhelmed, being like, how am I going to keep this up and run all of these different streams of income all on my own? Well, if you start making money, you can start hiring other people to do different types of work for you, which is why I'm including this as a way to even make money online, as if you're paying somebody to edit different thumbnails for you, these thumbnails could potentially help you to get more views on your YouTube channel, which could potentially help you to get more money on your YouTube channel. But there are so many different things that you can hire people to do on your YouTube channel or your Instagram or your TikTok that will actually improve these platforms for you and get more views and clicks. Now, sometimes there are other obligations in our life where we can find ourselves having even less time, whether it be going to high school or college or having another job on top of all of that. It can be hard to balance all of these different types of things. But if you're just getting started out, I recommend focusing on just one stream of income at first. So maybe this is putting all of your work and attention into a YouTube channel at first, which is probably, in my opinion, the best way to start out. And then later on, you can add these different sources of income, such as having an Instagram account or a blog or a TikTok account. But the good thing with all of these options that I went through, if you set up a YouTube channel, it wouldn't be too hard to set up these other streams of income as well. For example, if we have a YouTube channel, we already have a script written, we could put it into blog format. Or if we already have this YouTube video made, we could put this YouTube video into TikTok format. So just feel free to choose whatever option seems most appealing to you and roll with it. So if you guys are interested in getting started with a YouTube channel, make sure to click on this video next to me, as it will teach you how to really set up a faceless YouTube channel and talk about all of the different niches you can pick from and what niches are doing better than others. It'll teach you about the different content to create within these niches, how to monetize your channel and potentially make as much money as possible. It is basically just a free course, if you will. So make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there.